So here you can see the vapors and the fragrance is just awesome. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to unbox most trending air diffuser and humidifier. We can use essential oils and perfume for the fragrance. I have ordered this from AliExpress, so let's unbox this and then we see the quality of air diffuser and humidifier. So let me unbox this first. So if I open from here you can see this is the box. The power of this humidifier is less than 6.5 watt. So it is very good. And this is the box. Here you can see the instruction book. You can see here, which we never see and read. And what is that? So here the USB cable. So this is type power C cable. You can see that. And the box is empty. So here the air diffuser and humidifier. We can change the color of the flammable light. So we will try to use. But let me show you the quality of this humidifier. So here you can see. This is a humidifier. See the quality. There are two buttons to change the color and for the light. And I think we have to open this. Alright. So here you can see. So this is the maximum line for the water. And we have to put some essential oils or we can use our perfume. And here the type power C cable. So let's add some water and perfumes. Then we will see the flammable lights and vapors. Alright, so let's add some water, then we will add some perfume or essential oils to see the quality and vapors. So we will add the water till the maximum line. So let's add. So here you can see that we have added water till the almost maximum line. So let's add some perfume. Insert the wire. So there are some colors, we can change the color from here. So here you can see that vapors are started from here. So let me turn off all the lights. So here you can see the vapors and the fragrance is just awesome. If we open this, you can see that water is boiling a little bit. Let's add water. Wow, what a fragrance. So let's change the colors. This is with the 7 colors. Oh, awesome. Wow. Colors are changing. Wow, great. I am really satisfied with this tool. Second color, third color, fourth, fifth. So you can see there are many colors. So this is the button for the turn off and turn on. And this is for the colors. I really like that. I hope you also like this. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.